Chagas disease, which is the American version of trypanosomiasis. Wild animals serve as the reservoirs, but it is the kissing bug, which is an insect that transfers the viral disease. You usually find a swollen eye, very red and irritated, and this is known as Romanus sign. Leishmaniasis is pretty much caused by a flagellated protozoan, and it is transmitted via sandflies. Wild and domestic animals are hosts. Usually, you find this in areas where you have cleared forests and the sandflies have nowhere to go but to domesticated animals, which eventually transfers the viral disease. Malaria is caused by a protozoan. However, the biological vector for transmission is a bite from the Anopheles mosquito. It can be transmitted through sheared needles, and it actually can be passed from mother to fetus. Malaria, so you can, there are malaria pills you can take when traveling to these tropical and subtropical regions. Of course, you need to protect yourself from mosquito bites as well. And you have many ways you can do that through tick-borne disease. So another example of where an arthropod can spread a viral disease or transmit a viral disease through a bite. Trichomonas vaginalis. Here, the viral infection gets into the urogenital tract, and that is actually where the reservoir is. Carriers can be asymptomatic. They do not show symptoms until developed. Helminth or worm-like diseases spread. Ascariasis, so the worm Ascaris lumbricoides can produce over 200,000 eggs per day, and then undercooked food. Whipworm, also undercooked food, a little less, 5,000 eggs a day. Tapeworms, of course, also can spread sickness, so tinea in beef and another tinea species in pork. Larvae known as Sister Circe, eventually with tapeworms have this structure on the head or the scolex that have hooks and suckers, so it attaches to intestinal walls. And the segments of the worms, there are the mature segments or proglottids that can produce 100,000 eggs a day. Hookworms again, contact in subtropical regions, tropical regions,